Hey, here's another quick video of what I'm having this morning for breakfast. Not just for camera, just for the camera, for actually what I'm eating this morning. I'm having tofu scramble. I'm gonna have toast with avocado and fried potatoes, plus a bowl of oatmeal and orange juice. As you can see, the almond milk is actually for the oatmeal. So, all right, let me show you how to put it together. All right, let's go ahead and start off with the potatoes. What I have is a cast iron pan. I put maybe like 2 or 3 tablespoons of olive oil. And now I'm gonna just put the potatoes in there, yeah, like that. Yeah, just like that. Got it on medium heat. Just so you know, the way I do these potatoes, normally I just buy them, cut them up, boil them, so they already kind of cooked a little bit, not to the point where they falling apart, but just boil them where they kind of cooked inside a little bit. Put them in a container and put them in the fridge, and I have them every morning. Just simple and easy. That's why I don't have to use a lot of grease to fry them through. They already kind of basically cooked already inside. Just gonna pretty much toast them on each side. Gonna put a little salt. That's too much there. That wasn't too much. And of course, pepper. Can't go wrong with having some potato with pepper on it. All right, there you go. All right, while that is cooking, let's go ahead and go over to let's get the tofu started. All right, there you go. Another pan is already on medium heat. No oil. What I normally do is just take the tofu and just put it in a pan, just like that. I don't do nothing fancy. You know, I don't squeeze it out. You know, I let the tofu is full of water when you buy it anyway. So I'm letting the water do pretty much all the cooking. That way it's kind of, you know, I try to cook with as little as oil as possible. So there you go. It's already, yeah, there you go. Ah, see? And you know, with tofu, you got to really give it some flavor, because tofu, it takes something. It takes a lot to get some flavor into tofu to make it right. But this is going to be tofu scramble, like scrambled eggs, but not eggs, of course. Main ingredient, obviously, is the adobe. You got to get the adobe. The adobe is really the main ingredient. It's the only. There you go. Sometimes you get that adobe in there. I'm not going to eat all of this, so you know that. I mean, this is like 3 servings, so I'm going to take like a third of this, you know, and then save it for the next 2 mornings for breakfast. Some salt. I still try to use iodized salt, just because sometimes I don't think we get enough of it, you know. We drink so much bottled water that, you know, iodized used to be put in public water. I don't know if they do that anymore. Cumin, gotta have cumin. You do tofu, you gotta have cumin. Cumin is really another jack of all trades season that you can add. Turmeric, gotta add some turmeric. If you want to give it another little flavor, kind of step up on the flavor and make it look like eggs, throw some turmeric in there. All right. All right, and let that cook in a while, okay? You know, while that is cooking, we can just go ahead and get the oatmeal. Now, I usually eat my oatmeal raw. I don't cook it, I don't do anything, and I just pretty much just put, just like this. I add some chia seeds to it. A little chia seed on. All right, put some chia seeds and add some nuts, some walnuts. Okay. And that's pretty much it. So I will have all of that together. All right. Yeah, I think we need to go ahead and flip over the tofu. Yeah, kind of stir it up a little bit there. And you can, think about tofu. You can cook it as long as you want it. If you want it hard, you can make it hard. I don't like hard scrambled tofu. I mean, just like when I used to eat eggs, I used to like them cooked. I don't like them hard scrambled. I just like them soft scrambled. And I pretty much see it there, look just like eggs. Like, keep in mind, this is not egg, so it doesn't taste like egg, but, packed with plenty of protein. Can't be an egg. Look at that. It looks like egg, though. Again, having the right amount of, adobe and salt to give it some flavor, and of course the turmeric and all the other stuff, kind of adds to it too. So you're gonna add pepper, which I think I need to add a little pepper to it. Okay. All right, let's, okay. All right, let's check on the potatoes. All right, here we got the potatoes there. So let's just go ahead and flip them over. Ah, see, that's the way they should look, just like that. Yeah, just like that, yeah. Now, obviously, I'm gonna have to put a little salt and pepper on the other side too, because this is gonna be good. I'm telling you that right now. There you go, look at it. Again, no more than a couple tablespoons of oil. Again, the best thing is to cook them ahead of time, and you can eat them every day. I mean, I like to leave the skin on, so, I mean, if you wanted to do the skin off, that's up to you, but everybody knows that the skin is probably the most nutritional part of the potato, so, but there you go. Cook it on, I mean, it's basically cooked, but we want a little toast on the other side. Add a little salt on this side, not much, and of course, a little pepper. All right, in a few minutes, this thing will be done, everything. All right, there you go. As you can see, I have the potatoes, the tofu, the toast with avocado, both two slices, obviously. That's a half avocado. I don't use a whole because that's a lot of avocado to have in a day. You have the oatmeal with the nuts, orange juice, and water. Please like, please subscribe, for more. All right. Thank you for watching.